Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to turn off dark mode on iPhone. Well, so the first thing that we have to do is to open our device settings. And once we're here, we have to go to display and brightness. As you can see, it's located in appearance, light and dark mode. We can switch between both of them. And now it's as easy as pressing on light button. And now, as you can see, now we have turned dark mode off. Another suggestion is to open Control and Center and to add this setting which says dark mode. Now as you can see, if I scroll down here, I can switch between dark mode and light mode just on the Control Center. So this is all the tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.